Hi, my name is Dirk. Welcome to my video. You are here because you're probably searching for easy ways to make money online. Well, there are a lot of ways to make money online, and there are more easy ways and more difficult ways. What I find the most easy way to make money online is a place that's called Fiverr.com. You can offer your services over there, and you can charge people $5 for every time you offer they buy your service. And you can have what they call extra gigs, so you can sort of upgrade. You know, you do a basic service for them, but then you have an extra service, and maybe you can ask another $10 or $15 for that. And if you do a good job, people give you a high rating, you get a lot of customers. This really works pretty well. But you actually do have to do the labor, and you have to provide that service. And this service can be in a range from maybe you're a graphic designer, you design beautiful stuff for people, maybe a logo or anything else, something like that. But you also have people that will sing happy birthday for you while humping on one leg. Or send you a postcard from, I don't know, maybe you live in an exotic place. You can offer people to send postcards from your hometown. I don't know, something like that. There are always people searching for stuff. So, and if you are the one that provides it, they'll come to you. So that is a really easy way to make money online. However, in the long run, well, I believe if you really want to have the internet lifestyle to make money online and live your life on the beaches of the world or whatever your passion is, I'm personally a dad of two, and I love to stay home and see my kids actually grow up, and together we travel the world, and we can do that because there is no boss and we have no limitation in that, and so we can do what we want, and that is making money from home. So, what we were able to do, we were able to tap into a system that taught us everything we needed to know, how the marketing, the ways of marketing worked online today, 2015, and there is a community surrounded with like-minded people that where I can reach out to if I have a question, and they will reach out to me to answer, and a community that will motivate you when times get tough. I mean, there was always a struggle that, well, you know, this voice in your mind says, this is not normal, go find another job. You see, that is always possible. You have to focus, and you have to be consistent, and you're bound to be successful. I'm sure you will. But you have to stick to the game and be consistent. So, what I want you to do, if you really want to find a easy way, it's not a click on the button, get rich quick, no, but it is what I found a very comfortable way to make money online, because you will have a mentor, you will have a coach, and you will be taken by the hand and go step by step through the process to your success. It worked for us, and I'd love to introduce you. So I want you to click on this link below, and there it says www.15kmarketing.com. So click on 15kmarketing.com, and there you will meet me, and I will share a little bit more about me, about my story, and what I have to offer you. And I want to introduce you to the system that we use to break free from the rat race. Okay, thanks for listening, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.